In this video, we will be installing the solar-powered wireless backup camera with a 6.8-inch widescreen monitor. Before installing your backup camera, it is very important to charge and test your camera. Using the included micro USB cable, charge your camera with a USB wall adapter. To test, plug in the monitor and power on your camera. The monitor and camera come pre-paired. To begin the install, unscrew and remove your front or rear license plate. Place the backup camera over the license plate and secure the screws into place. Push and hold the power button for 1 second until the blue LED light flashes 2 times. If you have a vehicle with a trunk or hatch release, you can use the lowering insulation method. Unscrew and remove your rear license plate. Unscrew and detach the original mounting tabs from the back of the solar backup camera. Install the two-way mounting tabs onto the backup camera. Secure the license plate to the camera using the included mounting screws and nuts. You can now secure the mounting tabs to the vehicle. The raised installation is intended for vehicles with step bumpers. Start by unscrewing and removing your license plate. Install the two-way mounting tabs using your original plate screws. Secure your license plate together with the camera and install onto the mounting plates using the mounting screws and nuts. Make sure to lower your tailgate slowly to check that your tailgate clears the top of the camera. Press and hold the power button for 1 second until the blue LED light flashes twice. Remove the plastic backing on the windshield mount. Place the windshield mount onto the windshield and secure by turning the knob counterclockwise. Attach the monitor to the mount and adjust to your desired position. Make sure the monitor is not resting on the dashboard. Plug the power adapter into an available 12 or 24 volt port. Plug the other end into the dash monitor. To install on your dashboard, remove the backing tape on the dash mount and attach it to the dashboard. Place the suction cup onto the dash mount and rotate the knob counterclockwise. Now the monitor is ready to be activated by the motion trigger, which can be done by waving your hand in front of the screen. Your camera and monitor should come pre-paired out of the box. However, if pairing is lost, press and hold the power button on the camera for 6 seconds or until the blue light flashes continuously. Within the dash monitor menu, select Settings and then tap Pair Camera. Select the location which your camera is installed. The camera will now pair to the monitor. The monitor is triggered with motion activation by waving your hand in front of the monitor. You can adjust the motion activation distance in the menu by selecting near, mid, or far. The amount of time that the monitor stays on can be adjusted by selecting operation time. You can choose between 30, 45, 60, and 90 seconds. The monitor will stay on for the selected time once activated. Parking aid lines can be turned on and off by pressing the parking line button on the top left. They can also be adjusted by holding down on the monitor and swiping up and down. If you have 2 cameras on your vehicle, you can switch the viewing mode on your monitor by pressing the split screen button. You can choose between split screen, front view, or rear view. If you have any questions or comments, please please post them below or contact customer support.